and welcome to Trap Talk TV, your weekly news bulletin power-packed with stories and information that better your business. News this week. The Tourism Minister launches sustainable tourism criteria for India.
Yeah, entire country, and we are appeal our people and tourists just to protect our tourism with their sustainable criteria.
It's the mass of the tourism industry that needs to wake up that there is an opportunity by doing tourism in a sustainable manner.
I think there is a clear understanding of the need to work on sustainability issues. There is a commitment also from the private sector to work towards that and to cover the three aspects, because sustainability covers three main aspects. We have the socioeconomic aspect, we have the cultural and the environment. It's not just the environment. Environment, of course, the nature is the first thing you see because the natural asset that tourism has.
The first seaplane flight takes off from Mumbai. MTDC and May Air's planes will now connect Mumbai with multiple state tourist destinations near water bodies. Chhattisgarh demands inclusion in the special category for states. Ajay Chandrakar, Minister of Tourism and Culture, Government of Chhattisgarh, says that Chhattisgarh needs a special tourism status for developing its tourism industry. GBTA sees India as an emerging market for business travel.
India, of course, is part of the emerging countries, which are commonly known as the BRIC countries. So India, just like Brazil, Russia and China, is one of the countries that is very much in focus when it comes to business travel spend development.
AirAsia India to fly to Chandigarh. AirAsia India has decided to fly to Chandigarh in 2 months as a part of its expansion plans in North India. Deccan Odyssey has been outsourced to Cox & Kings. MTDC has signed an agreement with Cox & Kings for 5 years, and it covers the full management of onboard and off-board services, marketing and operational activities.
Aryan, we are flying to New York to visit your father?
With a German airline. You know Germans?
No.
They are a bit different, always serious. And their food.
Namaste.
Grandpa, we are in the wrong plane.
No. Everything is fine.
Non-stop you. Lufthansa.
Kerala Tourism and Go Air sign an MOU to attract more domestic tourists. The MOU is signed under a new destination promotion campaign that seeks to increase domestic travel with easier and cheaper travel to the state. TIE discusses the commission problem and credit crisis.
Our main commission and credit is in big problem. We are not getting no income, no credit, and we have to convert this crisis into celebrations. Our 85% mid-size agents of TIE membership, they only survive on this commissions and the credit period which they are getting.
Ministry of Tourism accepts ATOAI's norms for adventure activities. The norms will now be shared with the states, and the Ministry of Tourism will request the states to follow this while recognizing adventure tour operators. West Bengal to set up an eco-tourism board with a 100 crore budget. Indigo launches new flights to Visakhapatnam after the reduction of taxes on ATF. Tamil Nadu to train people for niche tourism products such as medical and mice. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of Trap Talk TV, but do stay connected for more.